Hello, you absolute legends. My name is Don Kavanaugh, and we're going to run through the thermodynamics of calcium hydroxide lab. I'm going to run through a trial, no pausing, and doing the calculations here. The only prep I've done here is I loaded my burette with the hydrochloric acid. With the hydrochloric acid, make sure you write down the molarity on the top of your paper, and we're going to run through these calculations here. So my calcium hydroxide is predetermined to be 10.00 milliliters. Here is my trial beaker. And here is my calcium hydroxide. And try to roll that up. Okay, got it above the 10 line. That's fine because I'm going to burp it down to 10.00. And I got the bottom of that bubble right above the line. That's good. I'll let that drop. I need 10 drops of my indicator in there. For this lab, it is bromothymol blue. My moles per liter is from the bottle. The milliliters is predetermined from the pipette that I've used. The initial burette is 0.00. That's the volume I preset here by getting it right at the 0.00 line right there. As soon as the blue is gone is when my reaction is over. Open this up here. All right, so that's 3 milliliters right there. And I know for my quick and dirty, it's going to be about 3.5. Trying to see when all the blue is gone. There we go. All the blue is gone. The reading on the burette is 3.55 milliliters. About 3.55 milliliters. Reaction is over when all the blue is gone. And my final burette reading is 3.55 milliliters. On to the calculations. The milliliters of hydrochloric acid used from the burette. The subtraction of these two numbers from each other is just 3.55 milliliters. I can do that math in my head. The moles of HCl used. I'm going to use the volume and the molarity, and I'm going to make sure that I convert to liters right here. Since I want my final answer in moles, I'm going to start with this because that has the unit in the numerator. 0.000418. And that is moles of moles of HCl that we used to get our endpoint. That number right there, we just solved in the box. The moles of HCl and OH minus is in a 1-to-1 ratio. So these numbers are identical due to their Mother Nature ratio of 1-to-1. The final box down here is moles per liters of OH. Well, in the just above, I have moles of OH that was just calculated. That's my numerator. The volume of OH was predetermined from the character at the very beginning of the story. The pipette chosen was 10 milliliters. The most common mistake for the young chemist is to not convert from milliliters to liters. Please double check yourself. So our answer for the molarity is 0.0418 moles per liter. You're going to perform that titration dose more times and then take the average of your 3 trials. This answer goes into your RICE table. That is all the trial 1 calculations. Thank you so much. Hope this helps.